Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to save an audio on your Instagram account. So the first thing you have to do is just go open your Instagram application and make sure that you're signed in or logged in with your account. And after that, you just need to take a look on this button features. So actually saving or looking for searching the audio, it's quite simple by visit the Reels, because the contents on the Reels will containing an audio. So you just need to scrolling down the Reels here and just find out the audio or the musics that you loved. So let's say here I would like to save this audio and just take a look on this bottom side. On the right side there will be music's icon, so you just need to go click them and you will be bring into the site. And to save this audio, you just need to take a look on the top right corner. There will be three icon, just the middle one. And how to find this audio that we have saved? Go into your profile, go click the straight lines, click the saved, and just visit the audio part. And the audio that you have been saved before is here. So that is the way how to save the audio on Instagram application. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you for the next video.